When it comes to enhancing your home's exterior, the importance of curb appeal cannot be overstated. In Lafayette, where the charm of homes often reflects the rich culture and heritage of the region, homeowners are always looking for ways to elevate the appearance of their properties. One of the simplest and most effective ways to achieve this is through door replacement. Whether you are selling your home or simply want to make it stand out in the neighborhood, replacing your front door can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Here's how a new door can transform the look and feel of your home. The first impression matters. Your front door is often the first thing that visitors, passers-by, and potential buyers notice when approaching your home. If your door is old, worn, or outdated, it could send the wrong message about the rest of your property. A new door can make a dramatic difference by creating a welcoming entrance. Whether you choose a modern, sleek design or a more traditional, timeless style, the right door will set the tone for the rest of your home's aesthetic. In Lafayette, where the combination of modern and historic architecture creates a unique visual appeal, you'll find that there are numerous door styles to suit your home's architecture. A replacement door gives you the opportunity to choose a design that complements your home's exterior while making a bold statement. Whether you're aiming for a rustic look that matches Lafayette's natural beauty or a contemporary door to stand out in an urban setting, your new door can align perfectly with your personal taste and style. Enhanced security and functionality. Beyond aesthetics, a new door can offer improved security and functionality, which are essential considerations for any homeowner. Old doors may not provide the level of security needed, as they can be more susceptible to wear and tear, damage, or poor insulation. When you replace your door, you have the option to choose modern materials and technologies that enhance the safety of your home. Newer doors often feature advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and stronger materials, all of which contribute to the security of your home. In addition, modern doors are designed to offer better energy efficiency, helping to regulate the temperature inside your home. This can be especially important in Lafayette, where summers can be hot and humid, and winters can get chilly. By choosing a new, energy-efficient door, you'll be able to enjoy a more comfortable home and reduce your energy bills. Material and style option. The materials and styles available today offer a vast range of choices that weren't as easily accessible in the past. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door, a sleek steel design, or a sophisticated fiberglass option, each material has its own benefits that can enhance both the aesthetics and performance of your door. Wooden doors. If you're looking for warmth and character, a wooden door can be an excellent choice. Wood brings a classic, timeless look that suits a wide range of home styles, from cozy cottages to elegant traditional homes. Steel doors. For those seeking strength and security without compromising on style, steel doors are a great option. These doors can be customized with decorative elements, offering a contemporary or even colonial look while being extremely durable. Fiberglass doors. Known for their durability and energy efficiency, fiberglass doors are low maintenance and come in various styles and finishes, including designs that mimic the look of wood. These doors are perfect for homes in Lafayette that experience fluctuating weather conditions. The value of home investment. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or are considering putting it on the market, door replacement is a valuable investment. Homebuyers often place a lot of emphasis on the first impression of a home, and a new, well-designed door can increase the perceived value of your property. A fresh door not only boosts curb appeal but also suggests that the homeowner has taken care of the home's upkeep, making the property more attractive to potential buyers. If you're in Lafayette and looking to sell, a door replacement could be just the touch that makes your home stand out in a competitive real estate market. Conclusion. Replacing your front door is a relatively simple upgrade that can make a world of difference when it comes to enhancing your home's curb appeal. In Lafayette, where home styles vary from traditional to modern, you'll find numerous options to complement your unique property. Not only will a new door boost the visual appeal of your home, but it will also increase security, energy efficiency, and overall value. Whether you're upgrading for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, door replacement is an investment that pays off in style, comfort, and long-term benefits.